Hello my dear friend, I hope you will be fine. So today in this video, how can learn English? How can learn English and how can speak in English? So firstly, I want to tell you how can learn English. So there are so many apps on your mobile or your telephone or your computer or laptop. Okay, and you can load any app like Peerup, Seeko app. Okay, there are so many app on your mobile, and if you load any app in your mobile and you can talk that with 30 minutes, maximum 30 minutes and minimum 10 minutes daily, then you can learn English easily. Only if you talk, only if you are talking anybody as per day. Okay, then you have confident, you can speak anybody as something, you can explain anything with English, you can understand speaking English. Oh, okay, and in this time it doesn't matter that you have obtained 100 percentage in 95 percentage, and if you don't speak in English, then there is no required for your mark sheet. Why? Because in this time every owner is want that my shop is running better, and in this case he want a good servant. Why? Because if he did not take a good servant, that he cannot our shop very well. Why? Because there are so many people are coming their shop, and that servant don't speak in English and don't understand English, and not how can he give food and how can explain, how can understand that wise. So in this case every owners want a good servant, and in this case you want to learn English, and suppose that you are going any foreign and you don't speak in English and you don't understand English. So you suppose that you are going any restaurant and you take food, you call a servant, please give me sabji and roti, and he don't understand your voice, then how can he take food from to you? Okay, so in this case you will be hunger, and you cannot eat the food. So in this case English is very important, and in this time English is a very important. You have no any, you have no skill, but you learn English, you can speak in English, then you can take a good job, you can obtain, you can earn so many money, you can run your life. So in this case English is very important. Without English you cannot do anything in this time. Okay, bye bye, thank you, having a nice day, and I will try to improve your communication skill, and if my video is better to you, then please subscribe my channel and like. Thank you, bye bye.